Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this wonderful class. Welcome to Unacademy. Welcome to Unacademy Karnataka Set YouTube classes. This is yours Shaik Imran, MSc Zoology. I am a biology faculty having more than 5 years of teaching experience in competitive exams coaching like Karnataka Set, AP Telangana MSET in NCRT also. Also experienced as a teacher in International School of Qatar country of Indian School. I am here to teach you biology subject for Karnataka set. The students who are going to write the exam for Karnataka set 2021, first of all, I would like to wish you heartfully. Definitely, you can become top ranker. There is no doubt. We are giving effort to you, and you have to keep practice always. You have to keep connect our regular classes. Join with us regularly. Definitely, you can boost your rank with an academy preparation. You can join with us regularly by downloading an Academy learning app from Play Store. Install it in your personal computer, laptop, or Android, whatever you are using it can be. Once you install, search your goal as Karnataka set. Choose Karnataka set in English language. And don't forget to verify. Don't forget to log in or sign up if you are using for the first time. Login and sign up is necessary for interacting with the educators during live classes. You can add your comments, you can ask your doubts in comment box. So this is the necessity to verify with your mobile and email. And don't forget to follow profiles. And once you follow your favorite educator's profile, there you will find all free upcoming live class notification. Also, you will find previously completed topics which help you a lot for your complete preparation. If you are watching these classes during offline, you can message us. That means you are watching during non-live session, you can message. We will try our best to clarify your 100% doubts. You can share our profiles also. Follow your favorite educators from Karnataka set. If you are watching for the first time, this is for you. If you like Unacademy free classes, you can choose Unacademy Plus. You can get Plus subscription with 12 months, 6 months, and you can pay like per month EMI also. This is the wonderful opportunity to you. You can learn from your house. You no need to spend your much money. You no need to waste your time for traveling to institutes. You can learn, you can have experience. Excellent. Being a Plus subscriber, you will get premium content at very low and affordable price. You will get structured live courses and dedicated live doubt clearing session. There you can get 100% doubt clarification. You will get quiz at regular and interval session for your self analysis. We already started batches for complete preparation. You can join with us in Plus course. You will get test series, daily practice paper, full length mock test for your complete analysis. Finally, the single subscription for unlimited access. Once you get Plus subscription, for you specially, complete syllabus will be covered. Tips and tricks given by top educators. Topic wise questions will be covered for you. Full length mock test conducted for you. You can increase your rank. You can score good marks in your Karnataka set 2021 and 2022. If you want to learn with me in Plus course, use my code IMRANLIVE. By using my code, you will get 10% off in your fees, as well as you will get complete set of preparation include physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. By using my code, I am providing you 10% off in your fees, right? Without doing any late, we will start our class today. So welcome everyone who are watching my class right now. Welcome each and everyone, and always keep giving your likes, keep sharing this video link, always keep sharing your positivity. Yes, we are dealing with class 12 NCRT, that is unit number 6, reproduction. In this chapter, in this unit, we started chapter number 3, that is human reproduction. We are dealing with chapter number 3, human reproduction. You no need to worry, complete syllabus will be covered, entire syllabus will be covered, you no need to worry. Yes, let me recap what we studied in previous classes. In previous classes, we discussed about male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of pair of testes and one penis. And the testes are the primary sex organs which help in production of sperm. Sperm or male gametes. Testes produce sperm. Testes contain testicular lobules. The testicular lobules contain 2 to 3 seminiferous tubes. The seminiferous tubes produce sperms. Production of sperms we called spermatogonium, and we studied spermatogenesis. We studied about spermatogenesis also. The students who missed my previous classes, you can watch it later also. This is the testes. Testes produce sperm. Through vas efferentia, they enter into epididymis. Epididymis is the place where the sperm will be stored primarily, and the sperms get motility in epididymis region. Then vas deferentia, it helps to enter into the urethra. Urethra is a common passage for urine as well as sperm semen also, right? And we studied about seminal vessels, functions of seminal vessels, and already we studied about prostate gland, functions of prostate gland, right? In this class, we are going to discuss about bulbourethral glands, also we call Cowper's gland. Bulbourethral gland are situated at this region. They are piece size. They are the size of peas. They are paired. So they are situated just near the urethral opening. The fluid what they secrete, it will mix with urethra along with sperm, semen, it exits outside. Clear? Is everything clear up to here? Yes. Keep liking always and keep sharing with your friends. Let them also join together. Our knowledge will increase when we share it. Right. Let's understand what is Cowper's gland. The Cowper's gland also we call bulbourethral gland. Clear? The paired, we have to remember the Cowper's gland are paired. Bulbourethral glands are also we call Cowper's gland. Don't get confused by these names. They are about size of peas. Green peas we call it generally. Yes, Pisum sativum. Yes. They are located inferior to the prostate on either side of the membranous urethra within the deep muscles. We must remember the location of the Cowper's gland also, not only Cowper's gland. We have to remember, we have to understand the exact location of various organs in the body, right? And they are situated at the deep muscle of the perineum. At the perineum, in deep muscles, they are situated, and their ducts, their tubes, ducts open into the spongy urethra. Remember, the ducts, the passageway of bulbourethral glands, what they secrete, the secretion will open into the spongy urethra by the ducts. During sexual intercourse, sexual arousal, these secrete an alkaline fluid. During the sexual intercourse, these secrete an alkaline fluid into the urethra. So they secrete into urethra that protects the passing sperm by neutralizing acid from the urine in the urethra. Generally, the urethra also common passage for urine. Sometimes some amount of urine present in urethra also. The urine is acidic, right? Yes. So this alkaline helps in neutralizing the acidic which is present in urine. It helps to survival of long time of sperms. The alkaline which is secreting from bulbourethral gland will reach the urethra. The urethra also contain some amount of urine which is acidic. In pH, it is acidic. For neutralizing the acidic urine, this alkaline will help. Also, this alkaline helping in survival of sperms for a long time. Hope this is clear for everyone. They also secrete a mucus. The bulbourethral gland also secrete a mucus that helps in lubrication the end of the penis and the lining of the urethra. It helps in lubrication at the region of penis in the end of the penis and in the lining of urethra, and they help in decreasing the number of sperm damaged during ejaculation. During ejaculation, so many number of sperms will be damaged, and these alkaline which are releasing by Copper's gland, bulbourethral gland, these alkaline help in lubrication at the lining of urethra at the end of penis, and they help in control the damaging of sperms. Clear ji? Understand everything? Whatever doubts you have, you can comment in comment box. I am sure I will try my best to give complete clarification. Right. Great. Yeah. Suchi. Yeah, very nice. Module. Yes, fine. Sheikh, Jagan, Balakrishna. Great. Very nice, everyone. Yes, let's understand the structure of penis. Penis is the one of the important parts of male reproductive system. The penis is made up of muscular tissue. The penis contains urethra, the urethra which is common passage for tunica albuginea. This is very important thing. Question can be framed from this point of view. Here what we have to remember, the body of the penis is composed of three cylindrical masses, three type of cylindrical tissues. The tissues surrounded by a fibrous tissue. The fibrous tissue is called as tunica albuginea. Clear? Right? The two dorsolateral masses are called the corpora cavernosa. We studied there are three masses are present which are made up of fibrous tissue. In that, two are dorsolateral masses, they are called as corpora cavernosa. Clear? The smaller midventral mass, the third one, that is smaller one, and it is located in midventral, the corpus spongium. We call the third smaller midventral mass called as spongium. These are made up of tissues. Skin and subcutaneous layer. It encloses the three masses. The skin and the subcutaneous layers, they enclose the three masses. These three masses enclosed by, surrounded by skin of penis, subcutaneous layer of the penis, which consists of erectile tissue. These penis contain erectile tissue which help in stretch in long during the sexual intercourse. The brain which stimulates to release the testosterone, also the brain which stimulates the arising of penis in long size. So they are made up of erectile tissue which help in elongation during the sexual intercourse. Erectile tissue is composed of numerous blood sinuses. That means they are made up of vascular spaces lined by endothelial cells, and they are surrounded by smooth muscle, and they are made up of elastic connective tissue. So these are the reasons why the penis is can be able to stretch in long size, right? It is made up of highly muscular tissue. The distal and the distal end of the corpus spongium is slightly enlarged and called glans penis. The end of the penis at this region, at the end of the penis, roughly I'm drawing here diagram, the tip region that we call glans penis, right? The margin is called as corona. This is not coronavirus, don't get confused. So for example, roughly I'm drawing, this is the penis region, this is the glans penis, right? Glans penis. At the tip region, at the border region, here we have right and left, we call that corona region. At the penis, this region is called as corona region, and there is no any relation between coronavirus. I'm not talking about coronavirus, right? At the region of margin of glans penis, that we call corona. Hope this is clear for everyone. The distal urethra, it enlarges within the glans penis. It is enlarges within the glans penis, and it forms terminal slit like opening. The external urethra orifice, it opens into the external urethra. So at the end of the penis, roughly I'm drawing here, so it opens into the end of the penis. It is covering the glands in N, uncircumcised penis is the loosely fitting prepuce, or also we call foreskin. It is loosely arranged, loosely fitted prepuce, also we call foreskin. At this region foreskin is present, and sometimes what happens, it can be stick along with glans penis. The foreskin may stick with glans penis. That time the doctors advise to remove with surgical of foreskin. Surgical removal of foreskin we call circumcision. Circumcision also is practiced in religious also in various countries, right? So we have some scientific reasons also for circumcision, right? Clear. So you can observe here. So no need to remember these all parts of the cross section of penis. Just for your reference, I have represented here, right? You can watch it later also. Let's understand the ejaculation. So we understood the structure of penis, functions of penis. Let's understand deeply what is the meaning of ejaculation. It is the releases of semen from the urethra to the exterior. Releasing of semen from the penis to the exterior portion, that we call ejaculation. It is a sympathetic reflex coordinated by the lumbar portion of spinal cord. This ejaculation is involuntary actually, that is not voluntary. It is not in our hand. The ejaculation, the releasing of semen, the semen includes sperm also. After sexual intercourse, what happens? So the semen will be released into female reproductive part, that we call ejaculation. It is completely covered by the lumbar portion of the spinal cord. It is involuntary action. As a part of reflex, the smooth muscle sphincter at the base of the urinary bladder, it closes. There is a sphincter at the region of smooth muscle. It contains smooth muscle sphincter. While releasing of sperm, semen, that we call ejaculation, the urinary bladder closes, because as I mentioned, at a time urine can be excreted, at a time semen can be excreted. Both cannot be excreted from the urethra, and it prevents the urine from the being expelled during the ejaculation. Clear? So the smooth muscles at the region of urinary bladder, they contain a sphincter. When ejaculation takes place, they stop urine pathway. That is the thing we have to understand. Even before the ejaculation occurs, peristaltic contraction in the epidermis, ducts, deferens, seminal vessels, ejaculatory ducts, and prostate propel semen into the penile portion of the urethra. That means before ejaculation, the peristaltic movement we studied during the absorption, digestion and absorption, right? The peristaltic movement you know very well. So before ejaculation, from the epidermis region, from the epidermis to the urethra, from epidermis to urethra region, we can feel the peristaltic movement in the body. The peristaltic movement, you know very well how the contraction relaxation takes place. So we can see from the epidermis to urethra region, that we call clear, right? Let's understand some more deeply. Typically, this leads to emission. It leads to emission, the discharge of a small volume of semen before ejaculation. Before ejaculation, we can observe the releasing of small amount of semen. Emission may also occur during sleep. Generally, the emission, what I'm talking about emission, is releasing of semen. Before ejaculation also we can see. Generally, when any human feeling any sexual feelings, desires, that time the semen also will release. Also, it can occur during sleep also. During sleep, we call that nocturnal emission. The emission means releasing of semen. Other than ejaculation, releasing of semen, that we call emission. Generally, it occurs before ejaculation, during the sleep also, that we call during sleep nocturnal emission. Once sexual stimulation of the penis has ended, once a male participated in sexual intercourse and the ejaculation completed, then what happens? Which kind of difference, which kind of changes occur in the penis after ejaculation? The arterioles supplying the erectile tissue of the penis contrast, and its smooth muscles within the erectile tissue contrast. So once ejaculation completed, so they will be in contrasting before ejaculation. Once the contraction is completed, they will come into relaxed position. They making the blood sinuses into smaller. The blood passing way, they make into very small passway. These relieves pressure on the veins supplying the penis and allow the blood to drain through them. So before ejaculation, the blood supply into the penis will be very high, it very rich, and the veins which are supplying the blood after ejaculation, they will relax, right? And consequently, the penis returns into its flaccid, that means relaxed state. While feeling the sexual desires, the penis will arise, that means the length of penis will increase due to supplying of blood through blood vessels, it will increase. So after ejaculation, the supplying of blood through blood vessels, it decrease. Automatically the penis returns into relaxed state. Clear? And let's understand impotence. What is the meaning of impotence? Impotence is a state, that means erectile dysfunction, that means due to improper arrangement or improper development of penis or improper development the functions of penis. The blood cannot be supplied through blood vessels. That means the penis in some humans, it cannot stretch in long. It is inability to achieve or maintain successful erection. Erection means elongation of the penis, that we call erection, due to unsuccessful, not able to maintain the erection of penis. So that sexual intercourse is not possible. Of course, if improper erection of penis only reason for complete sexual intercourse, right? If it is not able to stretch the penis, the sexual intercourse is impossible. So that kind of situation we call impotence. Impotence is the one of the reasons for infertile, unable to produce the babies, right? So it may happen from genetic reason, it may happen through our changing of food, whatever it can be, right? Let's understand semen. Semen is different than sperm. Sperm are different. Sperm produced from testicular lobules, seminiferous lobules. We studied the spermatogenesis. Semen is different. Semen is a mixture of sperm and seminal fluid. Seminal fluid, also we call seminal plasma, the mixture of seminal fluid and semen and sperm, that we call semen. A liquid that consists of the secretions of the seminiferous tubules. A secretion from the seminiferous tubules, seminal vessels, prostate and bulbourethral glands. The semen is mixture of these all things. The fluids which are secreted from seminiferous tubes, that are sperm we call, and seminal vessels, prostate gland and bulbourethral glands. Yes, excuse me. Yes. So this is the mixture of all fluids secreted by male reproductive system, that we call semen. The volume of semen in a typical ejaculation. In a typical ejaculation, once ejaculation occurs, it is 2.5 to 5 ml with 50 to 120 million sperm in each ml. Generally, once the ejaculation completed, the male penis release 2.5 to 5 ml of semen, which contain per each ml about 50 to 120 million of sperm for only 1 ml of semen. Clear? Right. When the number of falls below 20 million, that means when the number of releasing of sperm count, we studied that just before in this slide. So it is about in each ml 50 to 120 million of sperm will be released, right? When the number of sperm count is decreased in each ml of semen, the male are likely to be infertile. They are likely to be, not exactly, it can be reason. The less production of sperm we call oligospermia, or production of less sperm in human reproductive system, that we call oligospermia. It can be reason due to our diet, junk food, improper temperature, right? Improper sleep, improper healthy exercise. So these all are the responsibilities for oligospermia. Less number of sperm production. A very large number of sperm is required for successful fertilization. For successful fertilization, we require heavy amount of sperm. In that, 70% to 60 to 70% sperm will die. They never reach the oocytes. Before reaching the oocytes, they will die in vaginal tract, right? Let's understand semen some more deeply. Despite the slight acidity of prostatic fluid, semen has a slightly alkaline, contains slightly alkaline pH about 7.2 to 7.7 due to the higher pH and large volume of fluid from the seminal vessel. The seminal vessel which secrete large amount of fluid that which contain acidity, acidic. The prostatic secretion gives semen a milky appearance. The prostatic secretion gives the semen a milky appearance, and fluids from the seminal vessels and bulbothral glands give a sticky constituency. That means the liquids which are releasing from seminal vessels and bulbourethral glands, they give sticky substance, and the which are releasing from prostatic secretion, they give milky appearance, right? Seminal fluid provides sperm with a transportation medium, nutrients, and protection from the hostile acidic environment. The seminal fluid, they help in neutralizing the acidity, they help in for survival long time, male urethra and the female vagina. Generally, the seminal fluid which is present in urethra, which is entering into the female reproductive tract through the male penis. So it helps to neutralize the bacterial acidic to control the loss of sperm in female reproductive tract, right? Once ejaculated, liquid semen, it coagulates generally. As we discussed in previous class, it will coagulate within 5 minutes due to presence of clotting proteins from the seminal vessels. We already studied these things. After 10 to 20 minutes, generally, the semen again reliquefies because the prostate specific antigen are present. Due to prostate specific antigen, they help in breakdown of clotted semen, and other proteolytic enzymes also present. They produced by prostate break down the clotting. Hope this is clear for everyone, right? The presence of blood in semen is called hemospermia. Sometimes, due to inflammation, the semen also contain blood. Due to through the ejaculation, we can observe the blood also releasing, that we call hemospermia. In most cases, it is caused by inflammation of the blood vessels, right? Lining of seminal vessels, it is usually treated by antibiotics. By using antibiotics, we can control that, right? Hope you enjoyed the lectures, and you can meet me regularly in Unacademy app. I am teaching +1, +2 entire syllabus will be covered, complete more than KCET level. I will give you my best, right? And we will cover completely NCERT, and we will cover around the NCERT, which help a lot for your solving MCQ, because we are not only dealing with theory, we are also dealing with MCQ. For solving MCQ, we have to update some more knowledge. Hope you agree with me, right? Download the Unacademy learning app from Play Store, download and install it, and select your goal. Search your goal as Karnataka Common Entrance Test CET. Once you type Karnataka, you will find Karnataka set. Choose in English language. Sign up and verify for the first time if you are using that. This is necessary for sign up and login. If you want to comment any question, if you want to ask any doubt with your educator during live session, in comment box, if you want to type any message, you have to log in or sign up, right? Verify it with your phone number as well as email ID also, and follow your favorite educators from Unacademy Karnataka set. You can share our profiles with your friend. If you are watching classes during non-live, you can message us. We will try our best to clarify your 100% of doubt. And once you follow our profile, you will get all upcoming free live classes notification. Also, you will find previously completed topics, which help a lot for your complete preparation. And if you're watching for the first time, this is for you. If you like Unacademy free classes, if you like to take plus course, you can join with us by taking subscription with 6 months, 12 months, and you can learn from house. You can pay like per month EMI also. Once you choose plus course, premium content at very low and affordable price you will get. You will get structure, live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing session you will get. There you will get 100% doubt clarification. You will get quiz at regular and interval session. We already started batches for complete preparation. You can join with us. You will get test series, daily practice paper, full length mock test for complete analysis. Finally, the single subscription for unlimited access. Once you get plus subscription, complete syllabus will be covered, tips and tricks given by top educators, topic wise question paper given to you, full length mock test conducted for you. So you can join with us in plus course. If you want to learn with me in plus course, use my code IMRANLIVE. By using my code, I am providing you 10% off in your fees once you get subscription by using my code. This is not only for biology, you will get complete set of preparation include physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Right? I am providing you 10% off by using my code. Right? Hope you enjoyed the lecture. I also and meet you in Unacademy learning app 6 to 7 p.m. regularly. Until then, bye. Take care.